Let me show you how to do the speed trap lab, and this is for physics G. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to calculate the speed of the object of the car, right? So speed in meters per second. Then we're going to do speed in miles per hour. Okay, this is time in seconds, right? And our distance was 30 meters out in front of the school, 30 meters plus or minus 1 meter, okay? This means it could have been as big as 31 and as small as 29, right? And our times, we estimated in the class what we thought the uncertainty of the time is. But if you're making up this lab, let's assume that our times are plus or minus 0.2. This means that the 3.75 really could have been as big as 3.95, as small as 3.55, and we'll use that later to calculate the uncertainties. Okay. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to use the formula. Velocity is distance over time, right? So here it's 30 meters is our distance, that's x, right? And then this is our time. Okay, so I'm going to go 30 meters divided by 3.75 seconds. 30 divided by 3.75. And that, as luck would have it, is exactly 8, right? I'm going to say 8.00 meters per second, right? So I'll put that in here, 8.00. And then I don't need to label all the units because I've labeled the column header there, right? Okay. Now I want to get miles per hour, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a conversion factor. So meters per second times 2.237, so 8.00 times 2.237. Right, so this is times 2.237. That's the conversion factor, right? We'll get the miles per hour. So times 2.237. It was only 8 meters per second, but they were going 17.896. So I guess I'll say 17.90. Did I do that right? I did. All right. So now we're done. We're done with one of them. Let's do another one here. Okay, let me just show you. Ooh. Oops, I really wanted to go that way. Okay, so let's do another one here. So we're going to go, the velocity is going to be distance divided by time, right? So 30 over 4.15. 30 divided by 4.15, and that's 7.2289, so I'll say 7.23. Okay, and then I go times, while it's still in my calculator, 2.237. And I get 16.17, right? So that equals 7.23, then I go times 2.237, and I get 16.17, and that's miles per hour. And do the same thing here. 30 divided by 3.12. If you get it, you can sort of stop watching this video. 9.62, right? And then I'm going to go times 2.237. And I get 21.51. Okay, let's do this guy. 30 divided by 2.14. I get 14.02. 02 meters per second, and then times 2.237. 31.36. Clearly speeding. Clearly in violation of the speed limit. Okay, so let's see, 30 divided by 3.81. That's 7.87. Okay, and then times 2.237 is 17.61. Okay, so the thing I'm going to show you next is how to do the uncertainty. That's a little bit more complicated.